The U.S. State Department has greenlit a potential $620 million weapons deal with Bulgaria, involving the delivery of a cutting-edge naval strike missile coastal defense system, NSMCDS. The move is positioned as a major enhancement to Bulgaria's defense posture, particularly in the strategically sensitive Black Sea region, and is expected to bolster NATO's broader deterrence strategy. This proposed transaction includes not only advanced missile systems but also a comprehensive suite of support infrastructure, ranging from training and simulation equipment to sophisticated command and control elements. Washington affirmed that the sale aligns with U.S. national security interests by equipping a key NATO member with modern tools to safeguard regional stability. The Pentagon has assured that the deal won't disturb the military balance in Eastern Europe and anticipates a smooth integration into Bulgaria's existing defense architecture. Manufactured by Norway's Kongsberg Defence and Aerospace, the NSMCDS is a land-based, precision-guided missile system designed for high-performance maritime and littoral engagements. The Bulgarian request encompasses the full spectrum of operational components: tactical NSMs, dummy and telemetry missiles for training, mobile launchers, control centers, encrypted communication tools, GPS receivers, Link 16 tactical radios, and support vehicles. The package also features software, maintenance parts, detailed technical manuals, and long-term assistance from U.S. experts and Norwegian engineers. Bulgaria's new coastal defense system will replace the obsolete Soviet-era 4K-51 Rubesh launchers, finally retiring the decades-old P-15 Termit missiles. These outdated systems, introduced in the Cold War, are no longer suited for modern multi-domain warfare due to limited range, lack of stealth, and poor integration with allied networks. In contrast, the NSMCDS is designed for interoperability with NATO assets and is fully networked for joint operations. The upgrade significantly extends Bulgaria's coastal strike range to more than 300 kilometers, covering its entire 380-kilometer Black Sea shoreline and protecting key economic hubs such as Varna and Burgas. The NSM system provides advanced engagement options, enabling mobile, sea-skimming missile launches against enemy ships, land targets, and strategic infrastructure with pinpoint accuracy. The inclusion of Link 16 and open architecture fire control allows Bulgaria to operate seamlessly alongside US and NATO forces. The Fire Distribution Center, FDC, a core element of the NSM architecture, allows centralized or decentralized targeting and engagement management. It provides real-time threat analysis, mission planning, and integration with multiple tactical data links. Over 200 units of this system have been fielded globally, including in the NSM's air defense network. Its flexible design allows deployment on trucks, in fixed shelters, or tailored mobile command hubs. The NSM missile itself weighs just over 400 kilograms and uses a combination of advanced navigational technologies, GPS-aided inertial guidance, terrain matching, and an infrared seeker for autonomous target recognition. The missile's low flight profile and minimal radar signature enhance its ability to evade detection, while its 120-kilogram warhead ensures devastating effects against both naval and land-based assets. From stealthy patrol boats to hardened coastal installations, the NSM can hit with speed and precision. Besides Bulgaria, several other countries are also deploying or planning to field the NSMCDS. Poland has integrated mobile NSM batteries on Jelks trucks, while Romania expects its systems to be operational by 2028. The U.S. Marine Corps is expanding its own use of the system under the NMESIS program, targeting over 260 units by the early 2030s. Nations including Australia, Germany, and Spain are incorporating NSM technology into naval fleets, while the Netherlands and Spain are evaluating submarine launch adaptations of the related Joint Strike Missile, JSM. Australia, in particular, plans to begin domestic production of NSMs from 2027 at a new facility near Newcastle. Bulgaria's investment marks a pivotal step in shifting from outdated Soviet-derived defense hardware to modern, network-enabled weapons systems capable of participating in NATO's high-speed, high-precision warfare environments. The NSMCDS not only expands Bulgaria's territorial defense capacity but reinforces its strategic utility within the alliance's southeastern flank, a region increasingly seen as a geopolitical flashpoint. With the implementation expected to take up to 5 years, including support from a US-Norwegian technical team stationed locally, Bulgaria is on track to become a key contributor to NATO's coastal defense strategy and a more formidable actor in the Black Sea security theater.